if you want to learn how to vlog, you should really learn to do it from the girls, because they really know how to do it. And yesterday I could seat through an entire video made by a French girl YouTuber that my girlfriend was watching, and I picked up a few things. The first is I was surprised as a beginner YouTuber to see how she would speak so much about just herself and what she was up to and her routine, etc. And I don't mean it in a bad way, but as a beginner, you don't have an audience. You don't have people that are here for you. So every video is thought and framed and titled so that a random guy, if he sees your video pop up on the YouTube feed, then he will be interested in the topic, in the idea, because there is a promise and you want to deliver that promise. You don't get to talk so much about yourself unless you currently have an audience, but at the same time, it's doing this that makes the audience invested in who you are, that makes them connect to you on a deeper level than just getting the information and then moving on. So that was the first thing. The second thing is that the vlog in itself is interesting, even if she's not doing much. She was just walking around her apartment and talking, but not just any apartment. A beautiful apartment with an incredible view over Tokyo in Japan. So of course it's aesthetic, of course it's inspirational, of course it sells you the dream life. And that's another layer. Is your life worth vlogging if it's not perfect? If it doesn't look all that Instagram worthy or YouTube worthy? And again, I think you can get to a point where you've reached such an amount of success that you are an inspiration. Everything you do looks great, and just watching your lifestyle sells a bit of dream to those people. And I think about myself and I think about my apartment and my place. I'm like, there's nothing much to show and I don't have an incredible apartment or whatever. But I'm thinking it in another way now, is that a year from now, 2 years from now, all these videos that I'm doing right now, they will become valuable in comparison to how far I've gone in the future, because then someone that will discover me in the future and will see where I'm at. It had to start somewhere, and we all started in the same situation. My videos doesn't have to be inspirational on an aesthetic level, but they are going to be inspirational on a journey level, because they will document the progression, and in perspective to wherever I'm going in the future, they will have a lot of value. And the last thing I noticed, very efficient editing, clean, casual, raw, authentic, but make it easy for the viewer to see. As a beginner, you always tend to overdo everything. And I remember this quote: perfection is not when you've added up everything, perfection is when there's nothing left to remove. Is when you finally have the bare minimum that is everything, in as little words or as little effort as possible. And I think a great vlog and a great video in general is a vlog that looks easy, that has nothing to throw away. Every single thing makes sense and is a moment that is important to keep in that video. That being said, I have some work to do this morning. I need to go to the gym, and then this afternoon I'm working with friends in the city center of Bordeaux. I'll just show you what I'm up to, I guess. Hey guys, little update. It's Friday today, so one day after what you just seen. Here's the plan. As you can see, the office is very messy. I need to fix that, so I'm going to clean the office. Also, I can't tolerate working in a bad environment, just like I can't tolerate working in this outfit. I mean, I really need to step up on that thing. I told my girlfriend about it. I really want to start dressing better. I really want to start wearing shirts and jackets and great shoes and, you know, be stylish, hone my French heritage. And I like everything classy, traditional, so I really need to just get in the habit of wearing that. So it becomes just part of my natural style. But anyways, this is cleaning the office. I need to try my girlfriend's electric scooter because we've been having issues with the battery. I need to try it outside and see if the issue is still coming back, and if so, we'll have to send it to repair. Third thing, I need to get to the city center because tomorrow I have an event for a client. Then I need to go have a workout, and then I need to give a lesson tonight. So I give French lessons to English speakers. It's something I've been doing for quite a while now, ever since I was a student. And it's a habit I've kept. I really like it. I like to be useful. and using this skill of being bilingual, make the most out of it. So that's the plan for the rest of the day. I'm gonna film it and take you with me on those little tasks. So let's get to it. All right, let's give it a ride, see how it goes. So I went to pick up the pass from my clients, and just as I was thinking about recording and saying that I was very happy with the scooter with no problem, it turns out it just shut down completely. And now that I power it on again, it works, but it indicates completely low battery, and it was full like 5 minutes ago. It still works, but in like very low power mode. So hopefully I can drive my way back home. Otherwise I'm going to have to walk like that, which is all right. On the good side, it's always great when you get to see your clients, because you know I do most of my work remotely, and one of my clients, they are a couple. I usually deal with the husband, and today I saw the wife, and it was just nice to see. She told me, oh, and it's so nice the post that you did online on Instagram, etc. We're very, very happy with your work, and thank you very much for this. It's very, I don't know, it made me very grateful. Like, you know, you grind by yourself in your house, but when you get to see that your work is appreciated, especially by your clients, then it just like motivates you to continue. So, all right, little site of Bordeaux. Yeah, let's try to get back home now. Hey, and now we shut down completely. We are in Jardin Public, so it's like the main park in the city center of Bordeaux. And yeah, it's completely dead, so I'm going to have to walk. It's a good 20 to 25 minutes. I can't do anything about it, so that's some steps for the day. I'll be warmed up for the gym. Let's see it like that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is the state I was in for the last 10 minutes. You know, I just got home, tired from the, actually turned out to be a 30-minute walk. I just came here, said, okay, I'm just gonna check my messages for like 2 minutes, and it's actually been 10 to 15 minutes. I need to get to the gym. Also, I've got my cat with me. Does that give me an excuse? No, but he is cute nonetheless. Let's get changed and pool workout right now. Let's do it. Pour une nouvelle salle de bain pour des rénovations, renovations.
Oui, pour la maison.
Ok. En France ou en Angleterre?
Angleterre.
En Angleterre.
Notre our?
Notre maison.
Notre salle de bain, et does old begin with a V?
Yeah,
Vion.
So vieille. Feminine.
Très vieille.
And that's it, boys. That's the end of the vlog for today. Also the end of the week. Still figuring out how to do all these vlogs, but I'm really enjoying it. And looking forward to this weekend. Have a good rest. My girlfriend is also very tired from work, so we'll just take it easy, spend some time together, probably go shopping tomorrow. I have an event for a client tomorrow evening, but as for the rest, that's just gonna be a bit of exercise and a lot of sleeping. That's all you want. And next week, big focus on my work, on my agency, but I'll tell you more about that in the next vlog. So take care, guys. See See you soon.